Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking care of an alternator that is no longer charging the battery. Came out, tested the battery tested okay, and the alternator tested at about 3 volts. So we went ahead and recommended to get it replaced. It got all approved, so we ran up the street and grabbed everything that we needed. So we went ahead and took off all the plastics, got all that out of the way, got the belt off, and there's a couple other things that we had to move to the side just to kind of have a little bit of clearance to get that old alternator out. And then we'll jack up the car and take the wheel off to make it a little bit easier to put the belt back on, kind of get everything reassembled, get those bolts back in. That way we can get those plastics back on and get the car started. You'll see here in a second I'm going to start the car, and I'm actually going to test it to make sure that it's getting its proper 14 volts. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next one.